Hello. I have jerry-rigged a setup which simulates a Guinness World Record holding. Nice one. Too bad it's not on. So this spot right here is roughly 2.5 meters away, and I also wanted to bolster it so that it's to my height. Let's see how loud I can do this. I'm holding in a Coke Zero, so hopefully I get a loud burp. Okay, turn it on. Max setting. It's getting close, don't worry. Let's see what that was ranged at. 88.1.
Yeah! And now for special guest appearance, Paul!
Yeah, Paul. Let's get this thing calibrated for Paul. Wait a minute, sorry. Need to get it off the hold setting. Okay, max setting for Paul. That was impressive. That was 83.1.
Boo!
So I just edged out.
Some of us.
All right, now my turn. I guess this is our unofficial competition. Yeah, I guess it's official now. That was awesome. 85.2.
Yeah!
This is rough.
Oh, I'm going to beat you on that one, Pat.
All right, set up for Paul. Max setting. Loud but short. 81.5.
Wow.
Let's go.
Sorry, viewers.
All right, turn it back on. Max setting.
Yeah!
I need to get an official reading though. I really want to see how that. Yeah, that clapping added some decibels. 93 decibels on that one. Thanks.
Yeah, well, doesn't count. We'll call it 20. Thank you for the likes and subscribes, viewers.
Yeah, gave you an easy one there. $85.3.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I really want to get close to 95.
Is that the world record?
No, 109.9, which I'm ways away, but making improvements. I had my voice in it, which Paul Hunt did. 86.6.
Easy.
All right, let's see if Paul could beat this for the last one. Wait, sorry, on hold. Max. All right. Dang. I know I can smell the beer from here. 80.6.
Oh.
thank you, Paul, our guest for today.
Yeah. Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm gonna go play with my dog.
All right, see you guys.